occasionally on Redbubble, you might decide that you want to edit the same product across every design that you have. Or perhaps Redbubble have brought in a brand new product, like not that long ago, they brought in the pet products. So cat mats, dog mats, things like that. You want to go in and add those, enable them across your other designs without having to go into each design individually. It would take you forever once you've got lots of designs on there. So let's have a look at how you can do that. Let's go into Redbubble. And when you're logged into your account, to get onto this page, you simply go onto Manage Portfolio. So you click on your little person, Manage Portfolio. And this is just my sample store. So we've got all the designs that I've put on so far. So I want to click on this little box here, which selects all. Now, if I didn't want to look at the product on any of these designs, I would just unselect them, but I'm going to look at it on all of them this time. And you can see that these tabs have now opened up. So I'm going to click on Available On and then scroll down to the product in question, and I'm going to look at dog mats. And what I want to do is enable them. I could disable them all across all the designs, but this time I'm going to enable them. What it does, it brings a new page up. And as you can see in this case, I have got it enabled already on these 3 designs, but these that are paler, it doesn't have it on. So what I want to do is I want to enable them. So I'm going to click those to enable them. But before I do that, let's edit this one just to show you how I can make it different. So if I wanted to make just this one different, I could, for example, change the color or something like that, or take it off being a pattern or anything like that. And that would just be for this one. And you can see it's there. And then because I've changed these two, I've changed that from being disabled to enabled. And this one, I've changed the background and enabled it. I do want to save it, and I want to save that one too, because I've changed them. So there we are, that's it done. So easy and so quick. And you imagine if you've got like 500 different designs on here, they bring in a new product. You don't want to have to go into every single design just to enable that brand new product. So it's a really fantastic time saver. How quick and easy was that? Fantastic. So if this has excited you to see what else is available on Redbubble and to maybe have a go yourself, start by watching this video next.